I'll be working as a freelance editor inside of outside of Fiverr, and these are 3 tips that will make you a much more reputable, trustable, and effective freelancer at your craft. So without further ado, let's get into it. Number 1, get yourself a portfolio to skip the sample gig phase. If a client is asking you for a sample gig with the expectation for long-term collaboration, you can redirect them to your portfolio so you can see for yourself your proof of concept, and both sides will be much more fun and much better at going straight to business. If you don't have a portfolio, you can build one right up in here, and it's for free. Number 2 is creative assets. Clients love to transmit their personality through their work, and you gotta be able to speak to it. That means you need to get the right photos, videos, music, and text for you to become a much more engaging and proactive freelancer. In the end, they'll thank you for it, and they'll see you as a much more trustworthy freelancer. If you don't have any resources, we'll link it down in here so you can access them. These are free pictures, audios, and videos for you to take them, and as I said, they're completely free. Third, and the one that I'm still working on, is being an active listener. That is avoiding having too many revisions. Throughout the whole process, you gotta be able to stay on task and be able to make the right questions, inputs, and engagement points so that you actually become a one-stop solution throughout the whole process of the project rather than just an inconvenience that will be eventually let go. Great, so those are 3 fundamental skills that I'm confident will give you the right foundation and reputation as a freelancer inside and outside of Fiverr. This will make it the freelancer that everybody wants to work with. And if you like this video, consider subscribing to the channel, give it a like, and even sharing this video. And I'll see you on the next one.